Hello friends, how are you? And happy birthday for you. Wish you all the best for the everything you wish. Today I want to drawing balloons and the birthday cake. I love to drawing and painting so much. And this video is especially for your birthday. Let's drawing and painting with me. First I want to drawing the balloons. It was 5 colorful balloons. May I ask to you, how old are you now? And now I want to drawing your birthday cake. It has 4 candles. Put the star on your birthday cake because you are shining bright like the stars in the night sky. I will put the hearts too, hoping your life is full with love. It is sticking time. Let's coloring your balloons. Red. Yellow. Green. Light blue. Violet. Now I gotta make the balloons blinking like a rainbow. They are very colorful. And now is the time to coloring your birthday cake. The candle first. Strawberry cream. Mix with the orange flavor. vanilla blue.
Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
And don't forget with your kind heart.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my
Thanks for watching. If you have clicked subscribe button, I really appreciate it. Once again, happy birthday. See you on the next video.